Okay, here's my 2003 GMC Yukon, 5.3 liter. Alright, got my hoist on here, changing out the motor mounts. The driver's side's not too bad. The passenger side is a piece of crap. Very, very difficult to take out. So as you can see, went ahead and went to all the trouble to take off the wheel well cover here, which is just all little plastic grommets. Don't even worry about them, just chop them up if you have to, and get those out of the way. You can buy some for a couple bucks at AutoZone. But here is my old motor mount. Just to try to get this out is ridiculous. So what I've done, I've taken my wheel off. I've lowered this as much as I could with my jack to try to relieve or gain as much space possible here. So all I've done is maneuvered this every which way and finally got it to come out this way. So that's it. That's the old motor mount on the passenger side. But as you can see down here, I've taken out the other attachment. It actually kind of pops out pretty easily down below once you separate the bolts. But this thing right here is just crazy to get out. So anyway, now I get to try to put the new one back in that spot. So it is possible without removing the AC compressor or the starter or anything like that. Also took off the heat shield for the header. So also you need to remove that. That'll clear out, give you another almost 2-inch room space in there.
Where?
Like right here. So can you see this?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, alright. Here's my new motor mount. I'm starting it in this position. It's going to go between the compressor here, the header, the frame. Alright, here it goes. And this is the only way I can get it to fit. Stick it down in here. Start this top corner going down. Okay? And then you can rotate it around. It is tough. And then there it is. We are in. Now we can maneuver it whichever way we need to get it in place just exactly as we need, which actually it is, I think it actually needs to be flipped over. But once you get it in there, you can move it around. It's just difficult getting it in. So that's replacing the passenger side motor mount on an 03 GMC Yukon without removing the compressor or the starter. That's just removing the heat shield from the header and removing the wheel, obviously the wheel covered shield in here, and then again lowering this jack. Once you start lowering this and you've got your chain hoist up on your engine, then you'll see this space started to expand, and this gives you a lot more room taking the wheel out and everything. So that's the way to do it. Good luck.